County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Oil, or near Mendota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mendota, Earlville, Paw Paw, Sublette, Woodhaven Lakes, Troy Grove, Prairie Center, Triumph, and Harding. Including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 63 and 80. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.